Hey guys, it's Silver Fox here. Welcome back for another Save a Buck video, and that is save $1 a gallon. If you can see, it says $3.62 on there. I scratched out my receipt, but you can see that the date is today, 7/16, and I paid $2.62, so I saved $1 off, and otherwise this probably would have been maybe like $65-ish. And the way I did that was you go to the Chevron app and you just confirm your phone number. It sends you a text. And what's funny is you don't even need to input a payment option into it, because I guess they really watch your business. And so all I did was walk over to the pin pad, I put in my phone number, and I got my $1 off. And I think there's some sort of limit, maybe 20 or 30 gallons, something like that. But saved 18 bucks basically today, $1 a gallon off, 18 gallons. And I actually like it better than the Exxon Mobil. They used to do something similar with your first or second or third purchase or whatever, where they'd give you $1 off, I think. And that was maybe like 2016, 2017. But you had to somehow link your credit card or debit card. But seriously, all you gotta do is link your phone number into the Chevron app and just type it into the pin code area, and make sure you click Chevron Rewards to make that work. So thought I would save everybody I know $1 a gallon, and I mean, that was basically 20 bucks I saved right there. And you can do it 3 times from what I remember. Not sure how long it's gonna last, but yeah, happy saving, guys. Have a good summer. Put some of this gas into your road trip or something. Do something special, something fun for the summer. All right, guys, take care. See ya.